What's going on, guys? Today we have a 2014 Ford Mustang showing an evap leak, and it was this part right here. The customer replaced it, and that's what they told him it was, and the check engine light still persists. So what else do you need to do? You need to get a smoke tester and hook it up to check it out. But this is what the mechanics found. Let me show you. See, the code is marking for no gas cap, but this car doesn't have a gas cap from the factory. So if that's the case, check this out. Here we have the vehicle lifted. It's underneath, and you have to loosen up some screws and lower this cover down, and you got to check this box to make sure that this box is not leaking, and make sure that all these hoses are good, because there is one that goes from here to here that could potentially crack. I'm sorry, from here to here it could potentially crack, or you could have some sort of fault in this system right here. So be sure you get a smoke tester, check it out, follow every line and see if anything's cracked, corroded, or leaking, right? But we're gonna go ahead and replace that and get back to you.